this video, I'll show you how to create a WorldRemit account. To do this, you just want to go and download the WorldRemit app on your iPhone or Android or whatever phone you use. And after opening it up for the first time, you will see this right here. So there are three options for signing up. You can continue with Apple, Google, or you can click on register. Now I'm just going to continue with Google, but you can pick whichever one of these three you want. Then after doing that, they will ask about your privacy. I'll say reject, and then they will ask where do you live. So I live in the Netherlands, so therefore I will select Netherlands. Then where it says where are you sending to, just select the country that you want to send to first. Now you can always send to a different country. Then after you click on sign up, you will need to do an SMS verification. So just enter your mobile number right here and then click submit and enter the verification code. Now after you do this, you will then have successfully created your WorldRemit account, and you can then use that account to send money to all of these supported countries. So now you know how to create a WorldRemit account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.